You have the best gift in the world for your friend, but you don't have a way to wrap it. So this video is for you. Today I'm going to show you how to make a gift bag. I am Nishka on WeKids Media. #WeKids can do it. So let's get started. So the material you all will be needing is the paper, glue and a bow. So first, you will be needing the back side and folding the paper in half. Make sure it's corner to corner. Okay, so we are done with that. So now we're going to open the fold and take one side and fold it to the middle line. Make sure the crease has come. And now we're going to do the same thing on the other side and overlap it from the first. First you all have to fold, so this is the top and this is the bottom. So fold the bottom and make sure it's a 4 fingers space. There we go. Now we got to open this. Now we are only going to put glue on this much. So now I'm going to smudge the glue. And now we're going to make sure now we're going to fold it and do it like that. Now we are done gluing. So now basically we can even glue this much. So we're going to do that. So now these two are the edges. So we're going to form a triangle like this and make sure your folds are sharp. Now we're going to take the top side and match it with this line. There you go. Now we're going to take this, the bottom side, and match it, but this has to form a triangle like this here. So you can even overlap the top fold that we have to do. Now we're going to glue. So there's a small triangle over here like this. So we're going to apply glue over there. On the other side too. So now we are going to stick the top side. Now we are going to glue the bottom side. And now we are going to glue. So now we are going to tilt this like this, and now we are going to match this corner to this corner. Now we are going to do the other side. Now we are going to open the bag. So now we are done making the bag. Now we are all left to do is making a V shape over here. So there will be a crease and you have to fold it in. Same for the other side. Now we got this. Now we have to place the book inside, or the gift that you have inside. And now you're going to start your fan fold. These are 10 folds that I made. Now we are done making the folds. So now we'll add a bow and we're done. I'm sure you will enjoy making this party bag for your friends. Make sure you'll add more fun twists to this and share it on WhatsApp 84240 84241 and subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. I hope to see you all again with new gift wrapping ideas. Bye!
4, 3 louder. 4, 3, 2, 1, start.
You have the best gift in the world.
Sorry. And but you're adding one more line. It's a bag. Sorry, it's a bag. Sorry.
Gift wrapping ideas. Bye bye.
Good.
Can we eat
But
something?
still, yeah, last time. Now we are closing. Now it's the last chance.
Signing out.